Today I'm making a sweet chicken chili sauce to serve with fried chicken and other fried dishes. This recipe yields about 600 ml of sweet chicken chili sauce. The ingredients needed are 160 grams of red chili, washed, 250 grams of sugar, 500 ml of white vinegar. This is the brand that I use. Half tablespoon of salt, 30 grams of red bird eye chili, and 60 grams of garlic. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. Put all sugar in a pot, salt, and all the vinegar. Stir until all the sugar dissolves in the vinegar. Alright, the sugar has dissolved and now we have the chili sauce base. Put the pot on the stove, switch on the heat and bring it to boil. After 2 minutes, the mixture is boiling. Reduce the heat to medium-low and continue boiling for 8 more minutes. This is to release the strong vinegar fume from the mixture. While boiling the chili sauce base, blend the chili and garlic. Cut the chili into smaller pieces to fit the blender. And add them in. Remove the stems from the bird eye chili. And add them to the blender as well, and the garlic. Blend until fine with a hand blender. If using a normal blender, add in 30 ml of water to ease the blending process. Alright, the chili is ready. Put it aside. After 8 minutes, the chili sauce base has become slightly thicker than water. Alright, it is ready. Add in all the blended chili and garlic mixture. Stir until well combined. Continue cooking the chili sauce, bringing it back to a boil. This will take 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes, the chili sauce is boiling vigorously. Switch off the heat and we are done. The sweet chicken chili sauce is ready to be served with your favorite dish. Transfer from the pot for it to cool. After 3 hours, the chili sauce has completely cooled down. It can be dished out to serve with fried food, while the balance can be kept in the glass jar and left in the fridge. It can last for up to 3 to 4 weeks. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.